Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a vlog. So I'm just making a couple of errands on the road and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, I'm heading over to the mall, and then after that I'm gonna stop by the dollar store, and because I want to do my pantry. I want to do some pantry organization. So I want to stop at the Dollar Tree to see what they have in store for pantry organization, stuff like that. So I will be taking you guys along with me. So stay tuned and welcome again to the vlog. So I just got to the mall, you guys. So now I'm heading into the mall to see to order my contact lens from the optometry office. So I'll see you guys when I get on the inside. So first stop is the mall. Nikela, it's downstairs. It's downstairs. So first stop is the mall. So check it out. So I'm here at my optometrist office, but I have to wait for them to come and get me because they're all the way around the back, and so I have to wait for them to come and get me to take me around because of COVID protocols and all of that. Just left the mall, you guys. Now I'm on my way to Dollar Tree to to see what they have in way of containers for pantry organization. So I'm gonna check out their container and plastic section to see what they have for pantry, because I want to organize my pantry. So gonna get that done. So ordered my contact lens. So contact lens will be ready in the next 3 to 5 days. I should have those. So one down, one more to go. So I'm just pulling up. So I'm gonna take you guys inside the Dollar Tree. You can see what they have. They have some really nice, cute stuff though, I must say. And in most cases, you'll find really good quality stuff too. So, yep. Fusion lash. Just to get that done. Oh, okay, I know. Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. Is where they have the containers that you can use for the pantry. Sorry. Oh, this is nice. Could probably get a couple of these. So that's all the containers that they have. I'll probably get a couple of these. ones. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today on this vlog. So stay tuned for many more vlogs to come. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And also, please don't forget to leave me a comment, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next vlog.